Going on, everybody? Little update on the 5.3. Just barely got it back from the shop. I don't know if I posted that video yet. I've got the headers in, got the exhaust put in, just put a cam in it, and I just barely got it back from getting the gears put in. Put some 14 gears in here. Got the headlights done. Barely got the 22s. Had 20s on it, just like this. Same, the Texas edition and all that. Got the double tip exhaust. Gotta turn it on for y'all so y'all can hear it. Need to clean it out. It's dirty as hell right now. Still needs a little bit of work. Needs the two-piece drive line. Needs the cross member. I'm saying it still needs a two-piece drive line, which they're fixing to do that. Got to take it back to the shop here in a couple days. Need to put the cross member on there because it's aluminum. It's a one-piece drive line right now. But here she is, guys. Got the Rockfords up here. Got the 2 10-inch scars. I'm about to make another video on that because I just installed the system. Show you how I ran the wires and all that. This is her right here. She's a little dirty. All these panels right here, I used to be that tan color. All these panels right here, panels under here, all this used to be tan. You can still see some up here. Look, used to be this color. This is dirty as hell. Used to be that color. Went to AutoZone for that. Got those. It's like a spray can, spray paint black for the door panels and shit like that. And it actually came out pretty good. Did all the way to the back. Did these as well. But like I said, right now it's dirty. Show you the system. Here's the ramps. Scar audio. Yeah, but there's the little update on her that we have right now so far, which is the cam, the gears, the headers, the exhaust. Just a little update for you guys. Go ahead and comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want more videos. Got the 5.7 drop. Still got to get the interior done. All this little things that it still needs. But yep, this is her. There she is. I'll keep posting more videos, keep y'all updated. And that I just showed y'all right now, it's got that 5.7 drop. It's C-notched. So, but yeah, appreciate it, guys. Let me know what y'all think.